We painted the red on the inside of the rim so that if you see red, it's probably a bad thing. That's why the skid plate is red, the inside of the tires are red, and the engine's red. If you see either of those in video, probably something went wrong. We got the Champion mocked up here just so that we can see where it's going to sit. I'll have more video on all of this stuff later. We're just out to try and test drive it right now.
Hey,
yeah, John, what's up?
Can I show number one poster?
All right, show them your poster. What is it?
Number 1. And then I found this it used to be a boat. It used to just have this, and now it's just a painting poster.
All right.
It's number 1. And then once you want to see number 2, Virgin coming down below once you want to see 1. And subscribe once you want to see number 1 too.
Okay, so John says subscribe if you want to see more of his carving. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it started. Hopefully without breaking anything. Now we did add a ton of bump stops in order to be able to deal with the issues we had last time. So let's see what we can do. So that first section was in 3rd gear. We're going to drop it to 1st and just kind of idle it through here. Oh. I missed the clutch point and I stalled it.
Did you know I was following you?
Yep. I gotta go get the battery.
What, did the battery fall out?
Alright, so we came back through. We've got our box here for the battery box. And we're going to put this right in here. And then that way this can live here. And then I don't have to walk a third of a mile back to the garage next time. That was our learning experience for today.
And
So, stick that on there. Stick that on there. And we'll fire it back up. John, what did you want to say?
If you guys want to see how to make boats, just probably hit the subscribe button.
Okay. Oh, you want to make a foam boat?
Yeah.
Okay, John's big idea is he wants to make a Power Wheel foam boat. What do you guys think about that? We were thinking a trolling motor and everything. All right, let's have that. Because if we catch to one side, we might go over. So you wanted to see if I can make it through that? Okay. I think really, in all honesty, he just wants to see if I'll back it into the pond and get stuck. Whoa, brakes work. Yeah, didn't need that whoops-a-daisy. So we'll put in what should be third, go down through here. This is usually softish stuff, but there shouldn't be any water for this. Chicken. Stalled it. Oh, it goes into neutral, fine.
That was good, right?
Yeah. Hi everyone. Well, I think we're going to end the video there. The transmission's having some sort of weird glitch in between second to third gear that seems to cause it to be easy to stall. As you can see, the new reinforced to the suspension is flexing really well. I'll do an up close of that right now. So what we've done is gone in here and we've put a gusset all the way in through here. We've put another gusset up and over. And then on the inside of this edge here, we've gone through and we've re-welded all of this with a 1/4 inch plate on the inside so that everything should be solid. Redone any of these that were kind of just sitting there. And so it's doing well. We'll check the gusset on the other side. As you can see, we got no cracks, we got no shimmies. Everything seems fine, nothing's bent, everything's all square and straight. So I think we got that pretty well worked out, and we'll go from there.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, did you want to show them your fort?
Yeah, even the inside.
You want to show them the fort?
Yep. Even
You
the
sure?
inside. Yep.
All right, we'll go. Can I drive my mud mower up to go see the fort?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to ride with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go as fast as you can go to the fort.
No, I'm not going to go as fast as I can. You want it. All right, right. Last one around. Oh, let's see someone go. Huh? There you go. Oh, you know what's wrong? Okay. All right, so we're going to go in for a second and then go over. All right, it should be a second. Hi, John. Show him your fort.
It's all made from scrap. We use it all. And can I show them the inside?
So what's the front door out of?
A old washer.
Awesome. What's the big black thing?
Like that black thing came off my dad's truck.
Okay. So what's the inside look like?
Show you.
Okay, here. I'll stick it in through this hole here. You can show the inside. What do you got there? What's that for?
It's for the tarp.
Oh, it's a green bag you use as a tarp?
Yep.
Oh, so that's so you don't get pine pitch all over you?
Even for the bedding.
How come you got plants growing in there?
Don't know.
Oh, you're gonna clean them up?
Well, that's all what I'm going to. Those are just the plants that I'm going to leave.
Oh, okay. You're gonna leave those there?
Yep.
All right.
And
All right. So, guys, in the description, guys and gals, put what your own homemade play place looked like when you were a kid. Give a description. That way, next weekend when John's here, we can read them off to him and see who had the coolest one as far as he thinks. Have fun, everybody. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope that my builds cause you to build builds of your own. Have a good day.